Just wait until you see what we're gonna do in our yard with all of these. The first thing we're gonna do is take this flag and stick it into the ground. Next, I've got these long bamboo skewers, and I'm gonna take them out of the package. I'm gonna take the skewer and I'm gonna break it in half. You can do this however you want, but they break pretty simple. And I'm gonna stick one end in the ground. I'm gonna put the pool noodle on it, and then I'm gonna stick the other end in the ground, and then stick the pool noodle down the other side like so. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this 5 times till I have 5 hoops in the yard. What we've created here is an outdoor kickball croquet. And what we're going to use to play is any ball you want, but we'll be using a beach ball. For this next project, I'm going to take a serrated knife, or you could use a small saw, and I'm going to cut it in half. Next, I'm going to use my cool glue gun, and I'm going to add some hot glue to the top of this pool noodle. Then I'm going to take and stick the hot glue to another pool noodle. I've repeated this to both sides, and this is the shape that I've made. Next, I take some water bottles and I place them in this order. You can use as little as 5, or you can go to as many as 10. Now, using a kickball, beach ball, or ball of your choice, depending upon the cans you're using or the water bottles, you now have yourself a bowling alley. For this next project, I've got a piece of cardboard. I just have a lid here, and I'm just gonna trace around the lid. Now I just need to cut the circle out. It does not need to be perfect by any means. You actually aren't gonna use the circle portion of it. You're gonna use the other as a stencil. So I'll finish cutting this out and show you what it looks like. So now what I have is the center circle right here, which I'll be using. So I'm just gonna start by using a variety of spray paints, 4 of each color. So I'm gonna start by shaking this one up, and then I'm gonna spray inside the circle with the red spray paint. Then I'm gonna carefully pick this up, move it over a little bit, and repeat this until I have 4 of the same color. Now that I have my 4 dots, I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the next row with a new color. So next, I'm gonna go with the color white. So I'm gonna get in here, spray paint, the same circle, the same way. I'm gonna continue doing this with 2 more colors for 2 more rows until I have everything ready to go. And now what we have is a game of Twister. I hope this inspires you to create some yard games of your own. Again, I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations. Thanks for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time. Right foot green. Left hand orange.